Hi guys! Hi everyone! Good evening! This is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, another mini vlog for today's video at ang ating pag-uusapan, walang iba kung hindi si Shaira Diaz at si Edgar Allan Guzman. Kasi guys, alam naman natin at sobrang viral ang kanilang kasal kasi sobrang ganda talaga. At hinahangaan ng lahat. Alam natin yung kanilang love story. Sobrang 12 years, it's not a joke. Grabe yung hinintay ni Edgar Allan at si Shaira, sobrang iniingatan niya yung sarili niya. At sinunod niya yung magulang niya na huwag isuko yung bataan. Na isusuko lang niya yung sarili niya kapag tapos ng ikasal. Kasi nga, yun yung pinaka-the best na irigalo niya sa kanyang magiging asawa. At tinupad naman ni Shaira. So, ang ganda-ganda at ang sarap pakinggan yung parang promise ni Shaira kay Edgar Allan. Panoorin natin, guys.
For 12 years, you waited for me. And for that, I will always be proud of you, of us, and forever grateful that we kept our promise to the Lord. So, thank you. Thank you for waiting for me. And I promise, from this day forward, you'll never have to wait again. I will be the best wife I can be. Your true partner in everything. I will stand beside you. You'll always be my greatest blessing. My husband, my best friend, and I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. Magiging masaya na mamaya.
Nakaka-proud talaga si Shaira. Sana sila yung gawing standard ng mga new generation ngayon na hindi gawing laruan yung sex. Nakaka-proud si Shaira Diaz at saka si Edgar Allan na for 12 long years. Ayan, kinasal na sila sa wakas. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless everyone.